Hello everyone, welcome to the Trade. Today we're just going to quickly see the trade plan for 25th October Tuesday. See, yesterday was the Mura trading. As I mentioned in the video, most of the times the market does open and come down. Banknifty didn't come down much, but Nifty did get a nice slip. So obviously intraday trading in 1 hour, we cannot expect that big of a move, right? Probably a Nifty short was good. Bank Nifty didn't move much on the downside, but in the end, in the last 10 minutes, kind of made a good comeback, but most of the time it was remained flat. That's another reason I mentioned it's also a good day just not to do any intraday trading today, that is yesterday. It was best to just buy some stocks. Now coming to the trade plan for today, see this is the daily chart. Obviously the previous day was just a 1 hour candle. In Nifty and Bank Nifty, at this top we have a red candle, and the same thing even in Nifty. We cannot take this too much into consideration because this was just 1 hour of the trading. Now if in Bank Nifty, if you see the RSI, right, the RSI is above 60, that showing there is some momentum on the upside. And let's check Nifty. RSI is just crossing above 60, so that shows there is some momentum on the upside pending based on RSI. Now we'll see the chart levels in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. This is the Bank Nifty daily chart that I've opened. Okay, see the next level of resistance is coming in at these levels, that is 41,500. Then we have the all-time high at about 41,800. So these are the two levels that we'll have to watch on the upside, that is 41,000, around 41,500 and 41,850. Then if the all-time high breaks out, we'll take a call based on that. But as of now, the immediate two targets on the upside but is the market going so high? We will see that in a minute. Now on this 15-minute chart, see the upper side target is 41,500 and 800 if we cross this day high. So basically we'll just have to mark this zone, and in case we're kind of expecting a flat opening. In case we cross the day high, probably 41,500 and 800 is the next target. And if this low breaks and we start coming down, probably we'll fill this gap at 40,875, and that is over here 40,875. We might fill this gap, and then the next target on the downside will be here, that is 40,600 in case we start slipping down. And now, and these are the same levels that I marked here, 41,500, 41,650 in our 15-minute intraday chart, and levels on the downside. Now what is the most interesting thing is in this open interest, right, in Bank Nifty. See 41,000 call has the maximum open interest as about 70. This is after yesterday's close. The data that I've taken now, this has about 27 and this has about 10, that is the puts. So but Bank Nifty has closed at 41,300. So in the money put, where is 41,000? There are call sellers sitting over here. This is one of the reason why I decided to make this video pretty quick, because this can be pretty interesting today. That is, so based on the open interest, this shows is maximum number of call sellers over here. Always the OI data is seen in terms of the call selling or the put selling. So there is some resistance at 41,000. Okay, but we have closed at 41,300. So there are, and 41,000 is this yellow line. So there are call sellers, okay, sitting at this 41,000. Now how this will help us in our trading is, if this call sellers, more call sellers come in right after the market opens, then most likely the market will come down below 41,000. Okay, that is if the OI increases. If the OI, as soon as you see the OI increasing and the price 41,000 call price falling, that means even in a spot chart the price is most likely to fall. But if this 41,000 call sellers, right, if they start exiting, that is if these people start exiting and the put sellers become more, Then if this OI they start exiting, if the OI starts coming down, then most likely the market will go up. So how we can monitor this is, in most of the brokerage we get the OI data. So you can have like this 41,000 put chart and 41,000 call chart, and see if the see if the market is falling, obviously the put value has to go up, right? If the put is going up and this OI is coming down, then most likely the market will come down. And the same thing with the call. If the call price is coming down and the OI is going up, then most likely our market will fall, or the other way around. So this 41,000 OI is something to watch out for. So I'm expect, because if the market continues to go higher, this call sellers will have to exit, right? So some up move can come. So that we can see in this OI data. Obviously, even if this open interest chart is not there now, see, in most of the brokers do provide this open interest as a chart. Even if not, probably we'll just have to manually check, keeping the numbers in mind. So this one thing to watch out for in Bank Nifty. And in Nifty, again in Nifty, when we look at the higher time frame, right? See, the once this range, yesterday's range breaks or down or breaks out, the target on the upper side where we could face some resistance is 17,820, and on the lower side we could fill this gap at 17,670, or we could even come until say 16,000, so sorry, 17,641. So these are the levels that we can use for Nifty. And looking at the global markets, as of now, the US market just slipped a little bit. It's about minus 30. So that has put our SGX Nifty, probably we might get a gap down. It is showing minus 61. So we might get a pretty flat opening. Flat opening meaning, so this is the 15-minute chart of Bank Nifty. And flat opening meaning we could open probably within this range, right? So we'll have to be, see, if we open within this range, kind of consolidate and then break this down, we can go on the short side. If we consolidate and break on the upper side, we can go on the higher side, both in Nifty and in Bank Nifty. Along with this short and long trade, we can also make use of this OI data as I explained. Just have a check on this call and put at 41,000, and then we can take a call. That's it for today. Thank you.